Okay, we are good to go. Okay, so it just quick recap. Okay, so what do you think JavaScript is used for on the website? Anyone here? Anyone want to answer? सब लोग आ गए ना? 50 पीपल्स। एक बार गुड मॉर्निंग टाइप करो सब लोग। थम गुड मॉर्निंग। दिखाओ दिखाओ, सब हो करके दिखाओ। बस मोबाइल से ज्वाइन कर ले ऐसा तो नहीं है? अदूर भाई प्लीज। गुड मॉर्निंग, गुड मॉर्निंग, हाय गुड मॉर्निंग। गुड मॉर्निंग। गुड मॉर्निंग अनामिका, गुड मॉर्निंग। गुड मॉर्निंग सूरज। या ओके। ओके ओके ओके। चलो चलो इसे स्टार्ट करते हैं, है ना? तो फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन, व्हाट डू यू थिंक जावास्क्रिप्ट इज यूज फॉर ऑन वेबसाइट? क्या लगता है किस लिए यूज होता है?
For dynamic content type करने के लिए।
राइट, राइट टू ऐड अ फंक्शनैलिटी। करेक्ट, डायनामिक। कैन अ वेबसाइट वर्क विदाउट जावास्क्रिप्ट? कर सकती है?
यस सर।
बिल्कुल करेक्ट। विदाउट जावास्क्रिप्ट हमारी वेबसाइट चल सकती है, ठीक है। एचटीएमएल सीएसएस हो सकता है, ठीक है। चलो नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन क्या है हमारे पास। हैव यू सीन बटन ऑन फॉर्म्स? यानी कि सबमिट बटन देखे होंगे आप लोगों ने ना। हैव यू सीन बटन फॉर्म चेंज विदाउट रिलोडिंग? ऐसा कभी देखे कि आपने बटन, कोई बटन क्लिक किए विदाउट रिलोडिंग वो फिर से वहीं से चेंज हो रहा है? देखे आपने कभी देखे? हैव यू सीन बटन और फॉर्म्स दैट चेंज विदाउट रिलोडिंग द पेज?
Yes, sir.
या दैट्स अ रिएक्टिव थिंग, ओके। यहाँ पीपल्स हैव ऑलरेडी आंसर्ड लाइक yes, it's in that JavaScript using React.js, okay. Okay, do you know difference between HTML CSS and JavaScript? ओके, क्या डिफरेंस है? बहुत ही छोटा सा कॉमन सा डिफरेंस है। HTML इज अ स्केलेटन, CSS इज अ स्टाइलिंग। मतलब स्केलेटन के ऊपर में हम जैसे ह्यूमन बॉडी का एग्जांपल ले तो ह्यूमन बॉडी का स्केलेटन होता है HTML, कि कहाँ उंगलियां रहेगी, कहाँ पर बोन्स, कहाँ पर पैर रहेंगे, कहाँ पर हेड रहेगा, कहाँ पर स्पाइनल कॉर्ड आएगा। और CSS जो होती है उसके ऊपर की स्किन होती है ना, स्किन या उसके ऊपर में जो भी सब कुछ होता है उसे CSS कहते हैं। और जावास्क्रिप्ट इज अ नर्वस सिस्टम और वी कैन सी द ब्रेन। You can add the functionality over that using it, okay. So next question, yeah, number of people just giving the same answer. Use dynamic interactive effects such as hover effect and animation. Okay, what happen when we click button that say submit or load more? Do you think it's control that? बताओ क्या होता है? What happen जब हम submit बटन पे क्लिक करते हैं, when we click on submit or load more, what what will happen? Anyway in form or anyway in internet, you submit the form, you add a form.
जब अपन सबमिट बटन पे क्लिक करते हैं तब डेटा सबमिट होता है।
करेक्ट करेक्ट करेक्ट
और
करेक्ट, थैंक्स थैंक्स,
लोड
करेक्ट।
ऑन लोड ऑन पे क्लिक करें तो पूरा वो जो पेज है अपना वो लोड होगा या
लोड
रिटर्न।
होता है, करेक्ट करेक्ट, बढ़िया। मतलब नेम के ऊपर में इट्स नेम स्पेसिफाइड्स फंक्शनैलिटी, राइट। ओके, जावास्क्रिप्ट इज अ प्रोग्रामिंग लैंग्वेज। व्हाट डू यू थिंक? इज इट प्रोग्रामिंग लैंग्वेज जावास्क्रिप्ट? yes or no?
यस सर।
just yes or no? yes,
यस सर।
okay. uh any guesses like variable might be in JavaScript? What is a variable in JavaScript? Any guesses?
थ्री वेरिएबल।
any
Let
vari
const
Late and const, okay.
and where.
Okay, yeah, correct. If you want a website to greet with hello, your name, okay, it's like it's a variable, you can change it. And what would we need from the user? इसको चेंज करने के लिए हमें क्या क्या लगेगा? वेरिएबल लगेगा, करेक्ट। सिर्फ वेरिएबल लगेगा, हमें सिर्फ वहाँ वेरिएबल डालना है, ठीक है। इसका क्या आंसर होगा जावास्क्रिप्ट में? जावास्क्रिप्ट मैथ कर सकता है? डू यू थिंक जावास्क्रिप्ट कैन डू मैथ लाइक 5 + 10, 5
Yes.
multiplied by 10?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Okay. 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 सिंपल क्वेश्चन, सिंपल सिंपल काफी है. लॉग्ड इन वर्सेस लॉग आउट. In lockdown versus login versus logout, websites show different things. Is it correct? Is it correct?
Yes.
Yes. JavaScript make animations. Is JavaScript can make animations? What do you
Yes.
Yes.
think? Yes. Using JavaScript we can do animations too. Okay. Pop-up alert box website pages on
Yes.
websites. Yes, we can do it. And what do you think it's called it? It will prompt you alert. Okay. It will prompt you alert warning. Okay. So let's go with our. Okay, good morning, everyone. I think we good to go. Okay, we have 69 peoples. Okay, 70 peoples. Okay, so just let's directly start dive. Okay, so what is a programming language? Simply, what is a programming language? Okay, we already saw yesterday what is a programming language. It's like just a formal design, what is a formal language to design, communicate instruction to the computer. Okay, और क्या है? स्पेशलाइज लैंग्वेज लाइक टॉक टू मशीन. सिंपल. क्या है हमारे पास में? और इंस्ट्रक्शन फॉर्म ऑफ कोड. ओके, सिंपली हम क्या करते हैं? प्रोग्रामिंग लैंग्वेज यूज करते हैं कंप्यूटर को हमारे इंस्ट्रक्शन देने के लिए. ओके, जैसे कि सिंपल देखते हैं हम. जस्ट सेकंड. ओके, ये हो गया हमारा इनपुट, ये हो गया हमारी मशीन, और ये हो गया हमारा आउटपुट. ओके, तो इट्स इनपुट, इट्स मशीन. ओके, और ये हमारा हो गया आउटपुट. ओके, अभी थोड़ा सा ड्राइंग पे नहीं जाते, ठीक है? कुछ नहीं है, प्रोग्रामिंग लैंग्वेज हम यूज करते हैं इनपुट देने के लिए मशीन को, और देन हमारा जो जो भी यहाँ पे इनपुट रहेगा, जैसे अभी हमने थोड़ी देर पहले देखा 5 + 10. ओके, सो ये क्या करेगा? अरिथमेटिक ऑपरेशन करेगा, एडिशन करेगा, और हमें क्या देगा? 15. सिंपल. लैंग्वेजेस नथिंग बट जस्ट ओनली वी यूज टू गिव अ इनपुट एंड गेट आउटपुट. ओके. ओके, चलो. और क्या है हमारे पास में? सिंटैक्स. सिंटैक्स क्या होता है हमारे प्रोग्रामिंग लैंग्वेज में? व्हाट इज अ सिंटैक्स इन आवर प्रोग्रामिंग लैंग्वेज? Syntax is like a set of rules which is used to, or we say the semantic, or we can say syntax, like a human language, programming languages have. Okay, okay. So, lag, why it's lagging? Internet issue. Okay, let me just close the video. Let's see then. Okay, yeah, it's now perfectly. Okay, so syntax. What is the syntax? Any guesses? What is the syntax? आज second day है गौरव. What is the syntax?
It is the procedure of writing a program.
Okay, एक एग्जांपल लेते हैं, जैसे हमारे ह्यूमन लैंग्वेज में होता है. लाइक अ ह्यूमन लैंग्वेज वी हैव अ स्ट्रक्चर, ग्रामर. ओके, वी हैव वोकैबुलरीज. ओके, कॉमास. द सिमिलर इन अ प्रोग्रामिंग लैंग्वेज वी हैव सिंटैक्स. ओके, which is give you like a keyword statement, which is come together and form a proper language, form a proper code. Okay. uh, okay. Okay, communication with computer, simply we use the programming languages. Okay, next. Okay, types of level of programming languages. Any guesses? Any guesses? पढ़ तो सकते हैं हम, लेकिन फिर भी किसी को कुछ पता है इस बारे में? Do anyone know?
Primitive,
Yes, sir.
non-primitive.
Sorry, कोई कुछ कह रहा था.
High level language is understand the compiler, not a machine, not a user, not a machine.
Okay,
Compiler
correct,
convert
correct.
the low level, high level language into the low level language. Then machine getting the output.
करेक्ट, 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 ऑलमोस्ट करेक्ट है. ठीक है. सो देखते हैं हम प्रोग्रामिंग लैंग्वेज कैन कैटेगराइज इनटू वेरियस वेज. ओके, वी हैव टू लाइक हाई लेवल लैंग्वेज, लो लेवल लैंग्वेज, एंड और एक होती है, देयर इज वन मोर विच इज अ मशीन लेवल लैंग्वेज, विच इज 0 and 1. वी नो ऑलरेडी. ओके, so 0 and 1 is a machine level language. So we just understand two levels, which is low level language and high level language. So low level language is like is closer to the machine, which is operate with the machine too closely, like with the microprocessor and with the motherboard. Okay, so it's assembly language or machine code. C also comes under that. Okay, and high level language which we can understand, which we can read, we can manipulate, we can use to instruct machine what to do next. In we can give the inputs. It's a high level language. And high level language में क्या क्या आता है? What is comes? Python, Java, and JavaScript. Okay, and other language too, like Kotlin, uh, uh, hundreds of things. Okay, so चलते हैं हमारे सेकंड स्लाइड की तरफ. ओके, व्हाट इज द जावास्क्रिप्ट एंड इट्स हिस्ट्री. ओके, सो एक सिंपल रिकैप कर लेते हैं हिस्ट्री के लिए, क्योंकि हमें इतना जरूरी नहीं है बट पता होना चाहिए इसलिए. ठीक है, सो इट्स नॉट दैट मच इम्पोर्टेंट. ओके, सो हिस्ट्री इट्स क्रिएटेड बाय ब्रैंडन ईच. ओके, इन 1995 in just 10 days. Okay, yes, you heard that, it created only in 10 days. ठीक है, and then इसमें अपडेशन लाए गए, then it get updated, then it get new scripts, or we can say the what we say, hundred of things. Okay, so let's just come. Okay, so initial name is Mocha. When when it first developed it, the language was initially called Mocha. Okay, then renamed LiveScript. LiveScript is just because of it's a dynamic nature, so it's just gives you the name LiveScript, and then renamed to a JavaScript. Okay, so like JavaScript देने के पीछे कोई ऐसा कहते हैं सॉलिड रीजन नहीं है. ठीक है, बट इट जस्ट व्हाट वी से द strategic decision कह सकते हैं. It's just a strategic decision which is more famous, so they just use the Java for the popularity, and they just give the JavaScript name. Okay, so here is the question, like, okay, just let me zoom. Okay, I think अभी सही से दिख रहा है. Okay, so is Java and JavaScript में कोई similarity है? नहीं, कुछ भी नहीं. There is no similarity in Java and JavaScript. Just think like that. Car and carpet. Does car and carpet have any similarities? Only,
No.
yeah, it's just like we have common the car, but it's totally different. Okay, okay. So just let's come up to the our code today. Okay, okay, I think can we read slideshow? Okay, I think it will help. Yeah. Okay. 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 So how many of you are just install? I'll drop the message on channel that you installed code editor and the node. It's a node, not a Node.js. It's a node. How many of you already installed, downloaded, installed?
And sir, Node and Node.js is different.
Yeah, Node.js is a what do we say? It's a programming language, and Node is a environment which is developed for the run JavaScript.
Okay.
Okay, okay.
I
It's
have,
like a, yeah.
I have
It's a.
already
So,
Node.js in
sorry.
my I have already Node.js in my laptop.
Okay, you installed Node. Yeah, Node.js. It's similar. Okay, yes, 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 yes. Install. Like कोई बचा है? Does anyone remain? कोई बचा है? Yes, no. हाँ, चलो ठीक है, ठीक है. मनोज मनोज का रह गया है. विठल पाटिल का रह गया है. ओके, ओके. सो एनीवन जस्ट वांटेड टू वॉलंटियर? अच्छा, मनोज मनोज का हो चुका है. ओके, मनोज आर डन. एनीवन जस्ट वांट टू वॉलंटियर? ओके, योगेश. ओके, ओके, ओके. ये जस्ट शेयर योर स्क्रीन. ओके, आई विल गिव यू द शेयर द स्क्रीन. योगेश, you wanted to volunteer? Just type volunteer. I'll let him to share the screen. मैं करके. Volunteer Yogesh. Okay, Yogesh. Okay, Yogesh. Give the Yogesh to access to share the screen. Sorry. You okay? Just try it now. बढ़िया, चलो योगेश, हाँ चलो, ओके, जस्ट सर्च नोड, इंस्टॉल नोड। सब लोग ध्यान दे दो, एवरीवन जस्ट पे अटेंशन। ओके, डाउनलोड, ओके, डाउनलोड नोड, धीरे धीरे योगेश, लिटिल बिट स्लोअर, ओके, धीरे धीरे, ओके। योगेश फिर से आ जाओ, योगेश योगेश, जस्ट कम अगेन, कम, या, ओके ओके ओके, वी हैव टू सर्च Node.js, download Node.js on our browser, okay, 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 now, okay, then click on download, again click on download, yeah, it will download directly, yeah, it will download directly, okay, then find out where it you're in, where is it in your, okay, in downloads, right click and run as admin, or you can directly say install. You can open, okay, we have open option, or we can double click, okay, next, slower Yogesh, slower, accept license, then next, okay, then next, we don't have to change anything, just next, next, okay, one thing is Yogesh, you are downloading Node.js, okay, I think it's a typo, I just mean to download the node, okay, so it's a Node.js, we need node, okay, Node.js is different than the node, okay, मैं फिर से repeat कर रहा हूँ, I'm repeating again, Node.js is different than the node. Node.js is a, what we say, it's a language, or we can say it's a framework which is help to write a JavaScript on server side, okay, we will look at again, like बाद में कभी देखते हैं इसे, क्योंकि अभी हमें इसकी जरूरत नहीं है, ओके, सो इट्स गुड, यू हैव Node.js, जस्ट टाइप डाउनलोड नोड, डाउनलोड नोड, scroll down, why it's not giving you node,
I think it's same, sir.
it's a different, but okay, they will, okay, technically there are specific name, okay, they just change, okay, they change it, okay, I just read, they just change it, okay, it's good, you have installed node,
No, no, not yet installed. It's going to download. It's completed the download only.
okay, and others, everyone, we are going to demonstrate, or we are going to do assignments today, so we need node and VS Code too, we are directly going to,
Can I install this one?
yeah,
So that VS Code we also need.
yeah, we also need a VS Code,
This one?
you have installed, okay, just demonstrate once again, because I wanted to show everyone, it's not like that कि मेरे इसमें हो रहा है, it's running, run on your system and not our, like, okay, okay, हाँ चलो सही है, बढ़िया, good, yeah, maximum people are already downloaded, yeah, that's great, it's good to see people following instruction properly, yeah, they are serious, yeah, okay, correct, okay, finished, correct, okay, now download VS Code, so
I have
if it's
already the
downloaded
VS
or not,
Code. It's
okay,
downloaded.
okay, install, okay, so do we have any method to check, is it downloaded or not, do we have any method to check, Okay, close this window. Okay, search on your desktop. In search on your desktop, like search, yeah, search CMD, CMD, hit enter, type -v, node -v. Okay, everyone see, we got the version for the node. If you got any error here, like not found anything, it means you not downloaded properly. Okay, so we have installed node
Sir,
successfully.
what is that you said?
Node -v.
Okay.
Okay, node -v. I'm just annotating annotation.
Capital V or small V, sir?
Small V, small
In
V.
small only. Everything is in small. Node
It is,
-v.
it is going to show that which kind of versions which you have
Version
installed
we
it.
have. Okay, yeah, correct.
Yeah. So
It is
I am having the
officially
22.16.0 version
0.
installed.
It's the latest version. Okay.
Yeah,
Yeah,
it is
Yogesh,
showing.
just yeah,
I
Yogesh,
have
just go and search.
old version.
Yeah.
I have old versions. No problem. No?
No,
You
no
have older
problem.
version. Which version? Less than 18, you should be update.
18.17.1.
Yeah, it will work. It will work. Yeah, less than 18, it will work. It will like offer you some errors and bugs. Okay.
Okay.
Yes, sir. What should
Yeah. Now just download VS Code. Now we are
I
going to
have it?
see the. Okay, everyone, just. Okay, you already have. Just demonstrate once again. I just wanted to show everyone like how it's going to be installed. Okay. 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 Everyone, please on screen. Everyone, please come on screen. Okay. We just type download VS Code. We just clicked on first link official code.vscode.com. Sorry, visualcode.com. Whatever version you have using, whatever Windows you are using, or desktop, Mac, Linux, Windows, just click on download. It will directly give your, yeah, just click
Should
on
I
download.
download?
Yeah, it will automatically download, or you just need to click on this link. Okay. Okay, download block. Yeah, we have something verified file. Okay.
Sir, I already have the VS Code.
Yeah, I know. I just wanted to demonstrate once again. Okay. Okay, right click, run, open, double click, anything will be work here. It's just a normal installation. Okay, currently running. Just close it once. You just close it, cancel it, and then close the VS Code, and then try again. Okay. Setup running. Please install. Exit. Cancel it. Okay. It might be running on your background. Just check on your background. Yeah, task manager. Perfect. Okay. Okay. Does anyone don't have VS Code downloaded it?
सर नॉइज आ रहा है कहाँ से तो
हाँ आकांक्षा, नॉइज आ रहा है प्लीज
नॉइज आ रहा है
प्लीज
नॉइज
प्लीज म्यूट.
बैकग्राउंड में
ओके योगेश. ओके, कोई है ऐसा जिसका भी इंस्टॉल नहीं हुआ है VS Code? कोई है? डज एनीवन? यस, नो? ओके, कंसीडर करो सबका हो चुका है डाउनलोड.
Sir, what is the command for checking the version?
व्हाट इज अ,
Command for checking the version of VS
या
Code.
इट्स नोड स्पेस डैश वी.
No, sir.
Node
VS Code.
version of VS Code. No, we don't have any like command to check the version of VS Code. Just open VS Code and you see the tab for the help, and there you can see the about section. So it will show you everything. And even on screen 2, like if you open the VS Code, it will show you version on left corner. Okay, yeah, if you need to open that. Okay, no, it's not showing, but in help section, you will see everything about that in about section. Okay, like which version you are using, is Node available or not, is V8 engine available or not, everything. Okay, okay. Uh, Node version, Node version is 16. You need to update, like अभी के अभी करने की जरूरत नहीं है, not right now. Okay, then please update after this class, cause the lot of thing is updated on version 18, so that's why. Okay, do you have any specific like reason to being with the 16?
Yes, sir.
Anything specific reason do you have for the you are stuck in 16 or you are still
No,
on
no,
16?
no, nothing.
Okay, then just update. Okay,
Yeah.
just you need to download again, run again, it will update automatically. Okay, or there is a command to update your VS Code. Okay, you will figure out. Yeah. Okay, so let's. Okay, please unmute. Sorry, please unmute. Share screen. Okay, is it visible to everyone? Okay. So I'm just going to open VS Code once again. Window. Okay, so when you open the VS Code, you will see a blank here, like you didn't see the recent project or anything. Okay, so we are going to create a new file here. Okay, like name, what we're going to say the name, the first, there it is. So yeah, if I RSP first dot txt. What is txt? We are going to save this on desktop, create new file, and sa js day2. Okay, or okay, nsa js class. Okay, spelling is wrong. Okay, that is continue.
That
Create
screen is not
folder.
visible.
Okay, it's just first.txt. Okay, why I created txt file? I just wanted to show you the syntax, what we extension. What is mean txt extension? What is mean txt extension? क्लास विल एंड, भाई क्लास कर लेते हैं पहले, है ना, फिर एंड कर लेते हैं. करेक्ट. बढ़िया बढ़िया बढ़िया. ओके, सो txt विल अलाउ यू टू राइट टेक्स्ट. ओके, हमने कर लिए. अब हम क्या करेंगे, नया और बनाएंगे हमारे पास ओपन, सॉरी, फोल्डर, फोल्डर. ठीक है, हमने क्या कर लिया, हमारा फोल्डर ओपन कर लिए. बस करता, बस
That
इतना ही
screen
करना.
visible.
Sir, screen
सॉरी.
नहीं है.
That screen is not visible. That you
ओके,
are
स्क्रीन इज नॉट विजिबल. ओके यार, बताओ
that
यार.
screen
screen.
that you are doing.
Okay. I'll close
PPT
it
only
again.
visible.
Okay, I'm closing again. Sharing my whole screen for you. Once again, sharing the screen. Participant. Sharing screen. Okay. I think everyone can see this whole screen. Okay. I'm just opening VS Code. Okay. Just open new once again. Just create new window. Okay. Okay. किसी किसी के इसमें ऐसा नहीं दिखेगा. एवरीवन लाइक जरूरी नहीं कि हर किसी के में ऐसा ही दिखे. ओके, some of you just see these 4 tabs or 2 tabs. Okay, we just create on new file, we type file name, what we say, like just let's create any simple text file, like first dot txt. Okay, is it visible now correctly? Okay, then I did go to desktop, create new folder, uh, nsa it point. Okay, then new folder, open, and just create. Okay, we have created successfully our first file in VS Code. We can type anything here. Okay, so it's our first file. Let's create, go further, open folder. This folder we created, select the folder. We have select open the folder. Okay, so this is a simple structure for a VS Code. VS Code, it's like most loved and most useful tool to write a code. Okay, even like if you wanted to write a Java, if you wanted to write a Python, JavaScript, React, Node, anything, this code editor is the most popular code editor. So that's why we are going to learn this VS Code, or we are using this VS Code or Visual Studio Code to write our code. Okay, simple, simple. VS Code is code, VS Code. Okay, हाँ हिंदी में थोड़ा बहुत करेंगे हम, थोड़ा बहुत समझ में आ जाएगा आपको भी, है ना? करो, बढ़िया बढ़िया. ओके, जस्ट सेकंड. ओके, सो इट्स आवर फर्स्ट फाइल. सो न्यू फाइल, न्यू फोल्डर एंड रिफ्रेश एक्सप्लोरर. ठीक है, सबको दिख रहा है या जूम करना पड़ेगा? Zoom, zoom, zoom. How to zoom? How to zoom? Okay, okay. So now everyone can see. Okay, it's a new file, new folder. So we are going to create new folder. What is new folder? Day 2. Okay, and inside that day 2, I'm going to create a simple HTML file. Or yeah, so generally you can name anything to the file with the extension of HTML, but in our for the real world projects we name it index.js, sorry, index.html. Okay, so why index? It's like, it's not specified, like it's not hard a rule to write an index or anything. It just follow in industry. Okay, which extension to be installed for the JavaScript, we will come back, we will discuss about that too. But as of now we are going to create our first project, or we can say that we are going to create our first code. Okay, okay, so okay, so VS Code comes with the powerful, we can say, the boilerplate and the features. So there is a one feature is a boilerplate. Okay, so what is a boilerplate? It is just a block of code which is used repeatedly, or we can say the reuse again and again. Okay, so it's a boilerplate. So we are just created index.html. We just create, I just typed exclamatory sign, shift 1 is a exclamatory sign, and just hit enter. It will give you the simple HTML boilerplate code. Okay, we are not going to deep down currently in HTML. We just need to create our first project. That's why we landed here. Okay, so we are writing a.
So can you show once again, sir?
Okay, I'll show you once again. Okay, I'll just type shift 1, which is exclamatory sign. It will give you all automatic suggestion. Okay, emit observation, emit observation. Okay, okay, and just hit enter. It will give you. Okay, so just be with me. I'll give you time to do in your system by your own. Okay, just be with me. Just watch once, and then we will do. Okay, I'll give you time for that. Okay, just be with me. Okay, we created simple HTML file, or we can say create our HTML code. Okay, then we're going to write the script. What is script? We are going to add script here. Script is tag. It's a tag. We called it tag. Okay, inside this whatever we written, like console dot log. Okay, and we called well welcome. Okay, or hello world. Okay, so let's see hello world. Hello world. Hello world. Okay, let's see, is it going to run or not? Okay, open with what? Open with browser. Why browser? Oh, text editor building. Okay, we can do one thing. We can directly go in a file. Okay, we created this folder NSA day 2, NSA day 2. We created folder NSA day 2, correct? Inside that we got index.html. We just double click on index, and we, okay, it's a location, user, Nitin, desktop, and then we created NSID point day 2 and index.html. .html is a extension for the HTML file. Okay, so we are not we're not able to see anything right here. Okay, So currently हमें जरूरत भी नहीं है, we just inspect here, okay, and we see yesterday console here. Okay, can you see hello world here? Can you see? Can you see hello world? Can you see? Okay, write something different thing. Okay, I just copy paste hello world again. Let's see. Is it visible here? No. Why not? Because we didn't save our file. Just control S, or you can go here and save file. Okay, you can go here and save your file. Okay, there is another feature in VS Code which is auto save. Like whatever you written, it's gets saved automatically. Okay, Shift plus I for the boilerplate HTML. Correct. Zoom. Okay. I'll zoom. Okay. Auto save. You can use auto save, or you can use Control S for the save, or you can click on File and come here and click on Save. Okay. So I just prefer auto save for as of now. Okay. To write code. Okay. So why it's not get reflected here? Why it's not get reflected here in console? Semicolon. Okay.
We need
Semicolon.
to refresh it.
Correct. Yeah, correct. We need to refresh it. We need to refresh our file once. Okay, whenever I just refresh it, it will give you another. Okay, so semicolon. Yeah, JavaScript is like the one famous dialogue in the Java, like about the JavaScript in developers, among the developers, is the JavaScript is the most loved language. Okay, and do you know which is the most hated language? Anyone? Which is the most hated language?
It's also JavaScript.
It's also a JavaScript, because some JavaScript is like loosely coupled, and there is some rules we use that give you the tightly coupled. What is loosely coupled, tightly coupled? We will go that again, like after, like in future. Okay, so just like I'll show you. I didn't give here like semicolons. Still it will run, and if I give here semicolon, it will still run. But as a good developer, as a good what do we say? Uh, okay, as a good developer, we must have to write a semicolon. Semicolon act like a full stop in English. हिंदी में अल्पविराम है ना? So
End of
it's behave
statement.
like that. हाँ. Okay. Yeah. Correct. So do everyone just go create your HTML file, add boilerplate. For the boilerplate is a shift 1. Okay, give you the suggestion, hit enter, and then write a tag script. What is tag script? Script opening, script closing. It will automatically closing, but I'll writing. Then again slash, which is closing, then script. Sometimes it will not give you suggestion autocomplete, so you need to write complete script tag, which is script and forward slash, sorry, backward slash. Okay, sorry, forward slash. And then in between that, in between script, whatever you are write, like I write console dot log. Okay, sorry, console dot log. And then see, okay, there is a, okay, and then type I love JavaScript. I love Java. Let this S is capital. Looks good. Okay, and then semicolon. Okay, let's see. Let's see, is it printed or not? Refresh, and we got I love JavaScript printed here. Okay, just do it. Do it fast. Do it. We have lesser time. Do it fast. Everyone, please. Why in scene console? Okay, the good question. Okay, why is in console? Console, what is a console? Console is like a printer for the JavaScript. Okay, and why we see in console tab? Because console tabs show you whatever you wanted to print on code, whatever you wanted to see on code, which is console is just only used by the developers. Okay, it's like a give you in a browser console tab for the developer only. Okay, so now normal user, they don't have anything deal with that this thing. Okay, okay. Print, yeah, it's like what we say, um, yeah, speaker something. Just you give that, like, just we play the song, that speaker only play that particular song. So it's console, like same console.log. It's the same. Okay, okay. Entry.write for the page print in Chrome. Yeah, that's a different thing. Correct. Document.write. Yeah, that's a different thing. You're correct. You are correct. Okay. Just thumbs up. Okay. The chat. Okay. Output not displaying. Zoom. Zoom is 200%. Zoom. Huh. Okay. Sorry. Now it's yeah. Okay. Okay. Anamika, output not displaying. Do you write everything correctly? Like a JavaScript. Just see script inside that. Good. Shortcut key to get the boilerplate. Shift 1 or exclamatory sign. Okay. Okay. Script console.log script
Hello,
inside body tag. Okay, inside body tag. I forget to mention inside body tag only. Inside body tag.
hello.
Yeah.
सर हाँ विदाउट वो स्क्रिप्ट टैग भी अपन कंसोल लॉग को यूज कर सकते हैं ना?
विदाउट वो जावास्क्रिप्ट का अलग से, या फिर अभी क्या कहते हैं, हमारा ये वीएस कोड जो है वो भी एडवांस
हाँ
हो चुका है, इसलिए चल सकता है, बट इट
हाँ
इज नॉट अ प्रॉपर वे. ओके, वी
ओके
शुड
सर.
go with the, yeah, correct. As a being a good developer, you have to follow some basic rules,
Sir,
basic standards, which is follow on
always you have
industries.
to uh, take this boilerplate for
Yeah,
writing.
just shift one exclamatory sign, shift one exclamatory sign.
Okay. And
Okay,
without it, it will not execute.
without
Without doing this boilerplate, will we
wi-
will we execute?
without boilerplate.
Uh,
Boilerplate is like it's a code. It's a
okay.
code for the HTML body. It's a code which is an entry point for every web page. This is the code entry of every web page. आप जो भी वेब पेज देखते हो, जो भी ब्राउजर पे देखते हो, जैसा भी देखते हो, चाहे वो कितना भी बड़ा ऐप हो, चाहे वो वॉट एवर इट इज, यूट्यूब, नेटफ्लिक्स, एनीथिंग इन वेब ब्राउजर स्टार्ट विद दिस ओनली. Yeah,
Okay.
it's
And
weird, but
then
everything
body we have
start
to
from here.
do script, and then we have to
What is a script?
write
Okay,
the
what is a script? Yeah, script just define here that it starts scripting from here. Scripting means JavaScript. It just type, or we can say it's a understanding for this code. Where is the script? Where is a JavaScript is written? That's it. Nothing more than that. This script tag do. Okay. It
yes.
just, yeah, correct. Anything? Anyone? Any
And sir,
questions?
we take this space before console.
Yeah, we can add any space before console.
Okay.
It doesn't matter. Okay, because it
Yes.
ignored by the JavaScript, ignored by the VS Code, because it not affecting anything. Correct.
Okay.
If I add space here, is it going to run? Is it going to run?
No.
No, because it is not a correct syntax. It is not a correct syntax. So Java language is all about correct syntax, correct grammar. Okay. Every. Okay. Gokul Raj, every time can we use console.log? Yes, if you want to print anything for yourself, okay, for the development purpose, you wanted to see what's inside that, what it is, where I am. I just wanted to see. So it's a console help you to develop a good code or proper development journey. Okay, help you. Okay, just okay. So let's
Hello,
continue.
sir.
Okay, I hope everyone just yeah,
हेलो सर.
yeah.
सर ये जावास्क्रिप्ट का प्रोग्राम एचटीएमएल के फाइल में ही लिखना पड़ता है या अलग से लिखना पड़ता है?
Yeah, we can create different file. I'll कल आपको मैं आपको धीरे धीरे सिखाऊंगा ये. We will go that too.
ओके.
We can create a different JavaScript file. It is not like that everything we created on single file. Okay.
ओके सर.
Okay. 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 Perfect. 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 Okay. Let's continue with our. Okay. What is a variable? What is a variable? It's a container. It's a simple container for information or for the data. So let's एक छोटा सा example लेते हैं. Let's take an example like if you wanted to bake anything, like if you wanted to bake a cake. Okay, so you need like ingredients for that. Hello, yeah, just repeat. Okay, we good to go. Okay, we good to go. Okay, so if just take an example, we need to bake anything. Okay, if you want to bake a cake, so we need ingredients. Okay, flour, sugar, egg, and a lot of things. Okay, so every ingredients are stored in a different container. Correct? Every thing stored on different container. Please mute. Please mute. Please mute. Please mute. Okay, everything stored on different container. Okay, just like we have sugar here. Okay, we have tray for the eggs and the flour. Like इसमें हमारा आटा है. ठीक है. Everything on different container. Okay, egg and it's flour. Sorry, flour. Flour. Okay, so it's just a container. So anything we use, anything which is contain, it's a container. And okay, so if okay, becomes okay. Just wait a minute, clear everything. Okay. सो अगर हमारे पास में हमें कुछ बेक करना है, हमारे पास में नंबर ऑफ कंटेनर होते हैं, सॉरी नंबर ऑफ इंग्रेडिएंट्स हमें चाहिए जो अलग अलग कंटेनर में स्टोर है. करेक्ट 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 करेक्ट. हाँ. सो अगर हम क्या करें, हमने क्या किया, हमारे पास एक फ्लोर, हमने हमारे घर के किचन के फ्लोर पे इन फ्लोर वी जस्ट स्प्रेड एवरीथिंग लाइक दैट. एग्स, फ्लोर, और क्या है हमारे पास में, शुगर, है ना. तो हमने सब कुछ एक जगह पे फेंका हुआ है, ऐसे पड़ा हुआ है. सो मुश्किल जाएगा ना ढूंढने में. इट्स हार्ड टू फाइंड. करेक्ट करेक्ट. सो द कंप्यूटर आल्सो वांट एवरीथिंग इन नेट. Okay, sorry, in neat. Okay, like you put things in a special container too. This container is called variables. Okay. 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 Let's take एक और एक analogy लेते हैं. चलो एक रियल लाइफ वाला देते हैं ना हमें. जैसे कि रियल लाइफ वाला कैसा है, a square, sorry, a square plus b square plus
Hey, hi, Nitin.
sorry equals to c square.
Nitin, can you please mute
Mute,
Akash
please
Kulkarni?
mute, please mute, please mute. Everyone, please mute. Please mute. Participant. कहाँ से करते सबको म्यूट. ओके. 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 ओके, चलो जल्दी से हमारा देख लेते हैं. ए स्क्वायर प्लस बी स्क्वायर इक्वल्स टू सी स्क्वायर. ओके, ए स्क्वायर बी स्क्वायर इक्वल्स टू सी स्क्वायर. क्या है ये, सबको पता है क्या? पाई आर स्क्वायर. मैथमेटिक्स, पाई आर स्क्वायर. फाइंड द सर्कल्स एरिया. ठीक है, ये कहाँ जा रहे हो सर आप, कहाँ सर्कल कहाँ क्या है ना. कुछ नहीं, हम जब देखना चाहते हैं कि ये क्या है, ए क्या है, बी क्या है, आर क्या है, या फाइंड योर एक्स. ओके, फाइंड द एक्स. ये एक्स क्या है. These are the variables we use in our mathematics. Like value of inside its A, value of inside B, value of inside C will be changed by the time, by the requirement, but the formula, the system will give you the same output, okay, using the same functionality. Okay, so nothing, just variable is just container to store the data in JavaScript. Okay, okay, चलो ठीक है, देखते हैं हमारे पास में और क्या है। एक छोटा सा हम डेमोन्स्ट्रेशन देखते हैं कि कैसे हमारे पास सेव होता है, हाउ टू हाउ इट विल स्टोर योर whiteboard. Where is our whiteboard? Okay, disable notification. ओके, व्हाइट बोर्ड तो छोड़ो, यही देख लेते हैं, है ना। चलो, मान लेते हैं कि हमारे पास में ये जावास्क्रिप्ट है, करेक्ट, ये जावास्क्रिप्ट है, उसके अंदर की मेमोरी, यानी कि हम इसको करते हैं ब्राउजर। ठीक है, ये हमारा ब्राउजर है और ये उसकी मेमोरी है, मेमोरी ऑफ ब्राउजर ऐसे लिखते हैं। ओके, मेमोरी ऑफ ब्राउजर, ठीक है, ये ब्राउजर की मेमोरी है। ठीक है, इनसाइड दैट एक छोटा सा हम बॉक्स बनाते हैं, छोटे छोटे बॉक्सेस बनाते हैं। ये क्या है, हमारे कंटेनर्स, क्या है, हमारे वेरिएबल्स, कंटेनर्स वेरिएबल्स। हम क्या बना रहे थे, केक बना रहे थे हमने ना, हमें केक बनाना, सॉरी, हमें केक बनाना, ठीक है, हमें केक बनाना। तो हमें क्या क्या लगेगा, एग लगेगा, ठीक है, एग लगेगा, हमें क्या लगेगा, शुगर लगेगी, ठीक है, और क्या लगेगा हमें, और क्या लगेगा, फ्लोर लगेगा, आटा लगेगा, चलिए हिंदी में लिखते हैं, आटा लगेगा, है ना, और क्या लगेगा, वाटर, हाँ पानी भी लगेगा। ठीक है, सो दीज कंटेनर, वाटर किस में रहेगा, जार, या चलो अभी जार लिखते हैं। आटा किस में रहेगा, आटा किस में रहेगा, यानी कंटेनर ही लिखते हैं, है ना। शुगर किस में रहेगी, बॉक्स में रहेगी, और एक किस में रहेंगे, बास्केट में रहेंगे, राइट। एवरी कंटेनर्स नीड देयर डिफरेंट बॉक्सेस, करेक्ट, करेक्ट। कुछ नहीं समझा बताओ, कुछ नहीं समझा बताओ, कुछ नहीं समझा बताओ। व्हाट इज अ वेरिएबल, करके देखते हैं तब समझेगा, है ना। चलो करके देखते हैं, करके देखते
Express a value in a variable.
हैं, या ठीक है, करके देखते हैं। ठीक है, हम क्या लिखते हैं, नेम इक्वल्स टू, क्या लिखते हैं, जावास्क्रिप्ट इज जस्ट अ प्रोग्रामिंग लैंग्वेज, इट्स जस्ट अ प्रोग्रामिंग लैंग्वेज। ओके, नेम जावास्क्रिप्ट, नेम जावास्क्रिप्ट, हम इसे करते हैं कंसोल, कंसोल डॉट लॉग, क्या कर रहे हैं हम, नेम, कंसोल डॉट लॉग नेम। ओके, इसको हटा देते हैं फिलहाल के लिए, कंसोल डॉट लॉग नेम। क्या प्रिंट होके आएगा, क्या प्रिंट होके आएगा, क्या प्रिंट होके आएगा, आ गया। ओके, ये रखो, क्या प्रिंट होके आएगा, रिफ्रेश करो, रिफ्रेश करो, क्या लिख के आएगा, रिफ्रेश करो, जावास्क्रिप्ट, क्या लिख के आया, जावास्क्रिप्ट। वॉट एवर आई एम गोइंग टू राइट इनसाइड दिस जावास्क्रिप्ट, अपडेटेड, आई love
But sir,
JavaScript.
you don't define let where or const and declare this variable.
Yes, I will come that, बताता हूँ आपको कैसे काम कर रहा है ना। I'll come that point. Okay. So name, JavaScript is, like we can say, you can write anything in JavaScript. Okay. It's not important to, like, for the JavaScript, it's not important to follow the all rules, but as a developer you have to follow all the rules to write a proper, like अभी तो बहुत कम line है, there is a small amount of line, like 2 to 3 lines. When it's like when we create a project, there is a thousands, hundreds of thousands of lines. So how do you know what is like what is the type of a name. Okay, we will come that on after that, variables and its types. Okay. Okay, So we use let to create a variable. Okay, variable किसी को समझा नहीं variable के बारे में? Okay, the most common reason computer need to remember things to do useful works, correct? That's why we use the variables. Like game का example, let's take an example for a game. Like imagine we are playing Subway Surfer and we collecting the coins, right? So how do JavaScript know? How do the computer know that where to store the coins and display you the coins? Like let coins equals to 10. Okay, so we'll console the coins. Okay, we have console the coins. Let's see, can we get the coins? Yes, we get the coins. Okay, it's just simple container which is store the values. Okay, okay. So we took example for pi r square. Okay, pi r square. How to find pi value? Pi value is 3.14 something, right? Correct? Yeah, correct. And radius, r means
3
radius. What? Correct. Yeah. So radius r value. Let's take radius is 10. Okay. So what should be its like 3.14 multiplied by 10 multiplied by 10. Can we do this on our JavaScript? Can we do this on our JavaScript? Let's see. Here are drawing. Okay. Let pi equals to 3.14 comma semicolon. Let r equals to, okay, not r, it's radius. Radius 10. Okay. Let's go and write a code for let area equals to pi multiplied by radius.
Hello, sir. Can we
Yeah.
can you mute also because voice there are
Okay. Mute everyone. Please mute
someone there
everyone.
are voice.
Participants. Yes. Okay. Now it will not. Okay. So what will console give you? What will the output will get? Any guesses? What will happen here? What's happening here? Okay, just delete. Inside browser memory, JavaScript create a container name pi, correct? Pi, and inside that pi we have value 3.14, correct? We have value 3.14, and then radius also a variable. Okay, we can do simple. Okay, translate. It's a browser memory. Okay, browser memory. Inside that browser memory we have boxes. Container name pi, second box container name radius, and the container name area. Okay, so we have 3.14 here, we have 10 here, Okay, let's see one other color. We have 3.14 here, we have 10 here, and we have result here. So we will find the result. So this is the formula, this is the thing we are going to use. Okay. Okay. So let's see. Mm-hmm. To clear everything. Okay. Just reload 3.14. Is it correct? Is it correct? Is it correct? Is it correct, everyone? Is it correct? Calculation, is it correct? Three point one four, 10 multiplied by 10.314. It should be 314. Correct? Correct? Correct. 1 point, second point. So we will get 3.14. Okay? 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 Chalo. Variable is clear for now. Okay, okay. Continue with our variable. Remember information. Okay. Clear. Console log do. It's a megaphone. Correct? Someone asked me, what do we need to write console every time, or is it do anything special? No, it not store anything in your variable, in your storage. Nothing. It's just a megaphone. Nothing more than that. Okay. So we just see let and const let. Just we see let. Let is a modern way to declare the variable, and var is a older way to declare the variable. Why? I'll just quick show you what is the difference in let, var, and let. Okay. So I write let var, sorry, var 10, var a equals to 10. Okay. Then I write var a equals to 20. Then I write var equals a equals to 30. So you can see I didn't get any error for that. I didn't get any error for that. I didn't get any error for that. If I console a, what will be the output? What will be the output? Any guesses? What will be the output? What will be the output? Any guesses? What will be the output? Any guesses? 30, 30, 30, 30, 30, 10, 10, 20, 30. Yeah, it JavaScript, go line by line. It's came here first. It's come here. Check A. Check A. What's inside the container of A? What's inside the inside memory? We have container variable named A. So first we put A 10. Then we replace into 20. Then we replace into 30. Then what will be the output? What will be the output? 30. What will be the output? 30. 30. Okay. Correct. 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 What will be the output? Is 30. Let's see. Is it 30 or not? Let's see. Let's see. Is it 30 or not? Refresh it. Yeah, it's 30. Correct. It's 30. Correct. Correct. It's 30. So what if I use let? What if I use let? Let A equals to 10, and then let A equals to 20. Do you see? It's showing me error. A equals to 30. What is the error? What is this error? Just over. Let me see. Cannot redeclare block scope. Cannot redeclare block scope. We will see what is the scope variables, what are the scopes for the variables after like in advance. But just for as of now, just remember let will not allow you to redeclare the same variable name. Like if I want to say the count, if I add count, 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 look, see, it's showing me error. So that's why we use the let, where is older version. We never use, like, as a developer, we never use where it's like so old. Okay. Okay. We will just give 10 minutes. Okay. 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 I think we are good to go. Good to go. Okay. Okay. So what is the correct way to write a variable name? Okay. What is the correct ways to write a variable name? Correct way to write a variable name. Let's see. We have some rules to write a variable name. Can you see? Can you see? Do I need to zoom? Can you see? Let's zoom already. 300. Okay. Is it visible, everyone? Is it visible for anyone? Okay. 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 Yeah, I know it will little bit what we say, the boring thing, because coding is all about learn slowly. And okay. Okay, we have some syntaxes rules to what is allowed, what is not allowed to write a code. Okay, it must be start with the letter or hyphen or dollar. It must be start with the letter hyphen and dollar. Let's see. Must be start with the letter. Const name. Is it start with the letter? Yes. What is, sorry. Let a or let name. What is NSA? Okay. Start with the letter. Start let first name. What is name? IT, and let start with the dollar name coin. It's a correct ways to write a variable name. These are the correct ways to write it. Cannot start with the number. Cannot start with the number. Let's see. Is it allow us to write with the start with the number? Let's start with the 1. Is it allowing us? Is it allowing us start with the number? No, it is not allowing. Let's start here like 23. No, it's not allowing. It means writing a variable name with start with a number is not allowed in JavaScript. Okay. 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 Can contain letters, numbers, hyphen. Can contain letters and numbers. Can contain. Let's see. Is it can contain letters and number? What if I add here 1, 2? Is it allowing me? Yes. Yes. Is it all right? Anything. If I add this, allowing me. Okay. 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 Any doubt? Any doubt? Okay. And we can't use the reserve word too. We can't use the reserve word. What is the reserve words? What is the reserve words? What is the reserve words? Reserve word like console. Console is the reserve word. Console is the reserve word. Console. Can I use the console? Can I use the console? Can I use the console? Let's see. Can I use the console or not? Right. Console. No, no, no. Correct, correct. No, no, no. Okay, we will see later. Console, or can we use let again? Can I use the let again? No. Can I use for? No. Can I use while? No. Can I use do? No. These are the reserve keyword. How do you know reserve keyword? How do you know what are the reserve keyword or not? How do you know what are the reserve keyword or not? Let's see how to check the reserve keyword. Just go just type mdn. Just type mdn. You will see the document. You will see the document. mdn document. This is the best documentation in the world to learn JavaScript. Okay, just go into JavaScript and type here reserve, reserve. Okay, just directly Google. Let's just directly Google reserve keyword in JavaScript. See, it will give you the two result W3 school and MDN. I always like prefer to go with the MDN. Okay, so let's see where we have Okay, let's see. Okay, reserve keywords. Can you see reserve keywords? Okay, these are the reserve keywords you can't use as a variable names. Break, case, catch, class, const. Do I use do? Yeah, I use do. I try for. I try these. Okay, null, new. These are the reserve keywords. Okay, these are the reserve keywords. Okay, so we can't use the reserve keywords. Okay, let's see. Do we have something like common mistake people do? What common mistake people do? Adding class, username, like it's not allowed. So that's why it's not letting you. Okay, naming convention. What is a naming convention? Okay, we use camel case. What is camel case? What is a Pascal's case? What is a snake case? There is a where also mentioned in website. Do we have where here? Yeah, where. Why we don't use the where? Why can't we use the where? Why? Because it's a reserve keyword. So we can't use where as a variable name. Variable name. Okay. We can't use where as a variable name. We can't use let as a variable name. Okay. 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 These are the cases. Variable name function, camel case. Just forget about these cases. We just use the camel case. What is a camel case? What is a camel case? What is a camel case? Camel case is just writing a variable name with the in form of like starting like first name. So I just write FIRSTNAME name, first name. What is Nitin? First name Nitin. So use a camel case is what we say. It's a good practice in development phase in JavaScript. Okay, like as a developer, you see everywhere camel cases. Like writing a variable name, you must have to use the meaningful name with the camel case. It's just a camel case. Like anyone have any example like MSD, let MS Dhoni. Okay, sorry, MS Dhoni, or so let's give some last name. Last name. Okay. Last name. Okay, so we use camel case only. ठीक है? Okay, 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 okay. These are the reserve keywords. These are the reserve keywords. We are running out of time. Okay, so the different stuff boxes, common number, string, boolean. Okay, we are stop right now here. Okay, we will see tomorrow what are the other things we have. Okay, we will see tomorrow. These are the reserve keywords, and let's just take a small quiz. Okay, let's just take a small quiz. Where is the quiz? Let me just find out. Give me a second. Just be with me. Okay, is screen visible? Is it screen visible to everyone? Okay, 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 okay. What is what is the main purpose of programming language? What is the main purpose? What is the main purpose? Just drop answer. Just answer. Just answer on chat. Correct, 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 correct. Everyone is correct, 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 correct. Okay. Which is not a reason we need programming language. Which is not a reason to make a computer, create a games apps, make a computer understand human feeling, to build a website. Which is not correct. Which is not correct. Correct, 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 correct. Okay. Okay. The rule of a writing code. Rule of a writing code like a grammar. What is the rule of a writing code in like a grammar? Syntax. Correct, correct, correct. Syntax. Syntax. Correct. What is the programming language in closer to how to like what type of a programming language is closer to know human things and write using more English like a word? Which one is low level language, machine level language, high level language, or binary code? Which is more like a human? Which is High level language, correct. High level language. High level language, what? High level language, right? Correct, correct, correct. Okay. Deep dive into JavaScript. Okay, let's JavaScript. Who created JavaScript? Who created JavaScript? Correct, correct. People remember. Correct, correct, correct. What is a JavaScript originally called before JavaScript? What is the name of JavaScript before called JavaScript? LiveScript. Correct, correct, correct. What did Netscape likely name LiveScript to JavaScript? Why it's named JavaScript? To make sounds like a Java, or Java is a type of coffee? Yeah, it's little bit confusion. Yeah, correct answer is A. A. It should be. It's like a sounds like a Java. Because Java was a that time it's more popular. Still, it's a popular, but that time it's only the language which is popular. Okay. Are Java and JavaScript the same language? Are Java and JavaScript the same language? We saw already. No, 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 no. Okay. When JavaScript runs in a browser, what is the special part of a browser that execute the JavaScript code? Who execute the JavaScript code? HTML, CSS, browser, or JavaScript engine? Correct, correct, correct. D, browser compiler. D. No JavaScript engine. There is no JavaScript engine currently in browser. Oh, sorry. JavaScript engine. Inside the browser, we have JavaScript engine. Inside the browser, we have JavaScript engine, which is named V8 engine. Okay. We are not, we don't have time, so that's why we didn't cover that. V8 engine. Okay. V8. Okay. What is the name of Google Chrome fast JavaScript engine? Okay. Okay. Chrome JavaScript engine. Chrome JavaScript engine. What its name? V8, 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 V8. I just mentioned here V8, V8. V8 is a Chrome JavaScript engine. V8. Correct, 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 correct. What technique do modern JavaScript engine like V8 use to make a JavaScript code run faster by the converting it to machine code right before execution? Okay, we didn't cover that, so we just uh, uh, ignore this one. But still, do know. Okay, okay. People know the answer. Okay, it's correct. There is, yeah. So JavaScript is considered is a which level of language? Which level of language? High level of language. Okay, so we just saw the variables. So just take a little quiz about the variables. What is a variable in programming language? Best described a type of mathematical operation, a name, storage, location for the data in computer memory, message printer, or a way to draw a shape. Correct, correct, correct. Imagine you building a game. Why would you use a variable for a player score? We just take an example for a score. To make a game looks pretty, allow score to change and remember the value, to delete the score when the game ends, or prevent the player to getting a score. Correct answer is B. It's allow the score to change and remember the value. Correct, 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 correct. If I write animal equals to cat, and then later animal equals to dog, what will happen? What will happen? What will be output? If I console this animal, what will be output? What will be output? Cat and dog both. Cat and dog both. Let's just see quick what will be the output. Console.log. What will be the output? What will be the output? Any guesses? What will be the output? Dog, cat, dog, cat, dog, cat. Both. Okay, let's see the output. Where it is our output? Where it is our output? Yeah, here. Refresh. Can I refresh? Can I refresh? We can refresh using Control R. What is output? Dog. What is output? Dog. Why it's dog? Because we created animal variable first and then update that variable into a dog. Because we are use the let, it's allow you to write the duplicate name, but we didn't mention let here. You can see, didn't mention let here. Even I show you. Can you see? I didn't mention let here. If I write let again, it will show error. What will say? It will say cannot redeclare block scope. Cannot redeclare. Okay, sorry. Sorry. Visible, not visible. Sharing the screen again. Okay. Is it visible? Is it visible? Okay. Okay. I'll do it again. I'll do it again. Okay. What will the output? What will be the output? What will be the output? Let's see. What will be the output? It's dog. What will be the output? It's dog. Okay. I just clear. Okay. Okay. Just see the normal code. Let animal and then I write animal and then dog. Assign to dog. Okay. Notice that what will be the output? Just refresh it. Output is dog. Okay. What if I write let? Is it allow me to write again? No. No. It says cannot redeclare block scope. Correct? Cannot redeclare block scope. Okay. Let's continue with our quiz. What is not a good reason to use a variables? Remember, information is not a good reason. Make a code longer and hard to read. Make a program dynamic, able to change, reuse the same data multiple times, which is not a correct answer. D. D. No. It's not a D. It's not a D. It's not a D. Make a code longer and hard to read. Correct. What does the console do? What does the console do? Is it save data permanently? No. Store value inside variable? No. Is it print or display the value? A message? Correct. Makes the computer faster? No. Correct. What value would be a print to the console? Okay, so it's a code snippet. We have small code snippet here, JavaScript code here, and let coin 10, coin plus 5. I just declare coin, then I assign new value to the coin, which is coin plus 5. So it will console 15. Correct. Okay, correct, correct, correct. Okay, okay. That's it. Where is our file? Okay, here. Okay, okay. So what we have remain, it's a data type. Okay, we will see data type tomorrow. I'll share you some what we say the yeah, I'll share you some documentation for the interview based questions and the uh, some quizzes. Okay, so just do by your own. We will share this recording to you with you. Just go through once again and just prepare properly. Yeah, I know it's getting like we are getting like a little bit slower. Like those who know the programming, they already do the code. Okay, okay, we will share. Yeah, I'll share you the notes also. Okay, 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 okay. So what we have learned today? Just recap. Just a quick recap. What we learned today? We just learned how to install JavaScript, how to install Node or Node.js, how to install VS Code, how to create your first JavaScript, how to run your first JavaScript code inside HTML using script tag. Okay, using script tag, how to run, just right click here or just find the path day 2 index.html. I just find where I stored. I just stored here, right click or double click, it will automatically open. Okay, it will automatically open. So how do you see my console? Just right click, inspect, and we can see our console. Correct? 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 Okay, just do it once again by your own. We will meet tomorrow morning. Okay. Okay, thanks. Okay, who is this? A. Okay. So which code is used to add a button and click the button? We go to the another link in a new tab. Okay, it's like JavaScript, and we don't need JavaScript for that to click a button and go to the next step. So we can directly create a button with the hyperlink in HTML code itself. Okay, so it's not a part of our today's agenda. Okay, we will cover that later. Okay. Okay. Okay, everyone. We have time consent, so we'll stop here. I'll continue with tomorrow for the remaining topics, which I already shared with you. Okay. So remaining topics are like what we have remained today. We have remained the data types and what we say. Yeah, operators, data types and operators. Yeah, we have remained the data types and operators. Okay, we'll cover tomorrow data types and operators. Okay, anything you want, anything you are doubt, anything, anyone?